Hello everyone and welcome to another MLOps update for Incubation Engineering. My name is Eduardo and today is July 11th. Well, let's kickstart by talking about usage. So I've been working forever on Jupyter Notebook diffs and the usage continues to grow wildly. June 22nd was the peak of comments left on Jupyter Notebook diffs, and it was 25% larger than the last peak in March, and it was 3 times more than in June last year. So from June last year to June this year, the growth was above 200%, and this is quite insane. So people are really warming up to this feature. It's really nice to see this happening. Progress right now. So for 15.2, we are releasing a total of 8 MRs along the distribution, and well, most of them are bug fixes, but notably we are moving the entire code base that we had for generating the diffs into the main GitLab code base in a way that it's not forgotten somewhere in some lost repo. No, every change now goes through the regular review process. We guarantee the same quality and so on and so forth. And the most notable thing that we did on this release is that generating the notebook diffs now is 12% faster and takes 8 times less memory. So a 2 mega notebook used to take, 120 megabytes of memory, and now it's taking 17 megabytes of memory. It's quite insane, the difference. We achieved that by collaborating with OG and open source library. We collaborated with the maintainers to implement some changes, and then we moved most of the heavy stuff into Ruby extensions. So most of the stuff is now running on C, and it's a lot better right now. It's much faster, and it uses a lot less memory. It was one of the problems we were having with notebook diffs. Next, we released a video. I released a video on explaining how I want to go about integrating GitLab and MLFlow. How do I want to deploy this, and how do I want to release this? So, just explaining my goals with this exploration, my vision, to get feedback, to put the word out there that we're doing this, and the reception was great already, actually. I had customers sending me email about this, asking when is this beginning or when or not. The views are quite nice, so I'm quite happy with this. It's actually one of the fastest videos that I got feedback on, so that's very interesting. People are actually excited about this one. The video is 8 minutes. I put a link over there. You can watch if you have the time to do so. And for the next steps, we are on EuroPython in Dublin between July 13th and 16th. So if you are there and you want to talk about GitLab, you want to talk about MLFlow, you want to talk about anything, or grab a beer, reach me out. I'll be probably the guy walking around with a GitLab t-shirt. So easy to spot. Furthermore, after that, we have one leftover issue for Jupyter diff, which is increasing the size of the diffs. I already spoke with the stakeholders. We already have a plan on how to do this in a way that doesn't create problems later on. And so this is going to be the next MR that I'll be working on. And along that, get our hands dirty with MLFlow. We already been speaking too much, and it's time to actually write code for this. And that's what I had for today. So if you have any feedback, you want to watch the previous updates, the link for all my issues, all my updates is on the description below. Thank you very much and have a great day.